Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. I am sitting here in my living room floor. As you guys can see my couch behind me. um I live in a small apartment, so I don't have any private place to craft, so except my desk. But I need a solid surface to hammer, so I'm going to do it here in my living room where I have the space. Guys, I have this piece of wood. I was walking my dog, and of course, my dog started sniffing it, and I was like, "Oh, that looks like a nice, very piece of wood." And I wanted to do a boho type wood candle holder. So I was looking online, and I'm not gonna pay for something that I could actually do one on my own. I do have a drill, and it has the end, the things that you put in there. I don't know what you call them, and you drill holes, but I cannot find them. I got my drill, but I cannot find the tools. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to get creative. I'm going to use I cannot even find my chisel, so I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, a little one, and I also have this one. This one I'm going to use to dig out the wood, and this one I'm going to use to cut because it's a very sharp end. I also have here um, my, this is from the Dollar Tree. So I also have this just in case I need to cut the end of the wood. And also I have my sandpaper because I want to sand it. And also I have wood finish penetrating stain golden pecan, so it's a light color. I'm going to once I sign the log, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to show you what am I doing. So right now I'm sitting on the floor, so I'm gonna turn you guys down. This is gonna be funny, guys, but we're gonna get it done. And this is an open collaboration. This is the collaboration called What Would You Make? This is hosted by Connie Woodshop and DIYs and Rustic and Lace. And they have a guest host, which is Kathy Joe's DIY. So, guys, let me turn you guys down and let me show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing. So I'm sitting here on the floor. I have I have to sit here on the floor because I cannot do it anywhere else. I already started doing the hole here. So what I'm doing is, of course, I'm supporting with my foot. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, no. Let me bring you guys a little bit lower. There, you guys can see there. So I'm holding with my foot here. I'm gonna show you guys, like, I'm holding with my foot because I don't have nowhere to do. And then I'm using my very sharp tip screwdriver, the flathead, and I'm just carving the wood. This is going to be, it's going to turn out very nice. I'm going to use it on my table. And I also, once I'm done, I'm going to show you what it looks like, guys. I want to thank the host for hosting this collaboration. Guys, you guys could go and check out their channels and the playlist. And they host this once a month. So you want to participate, by all means, just send the host a message. And yeah, enjoying, guys, enjoying. So this is what I'm doing. I mean, if I had my right tools, I would have been done in like maybe 10-15 minutes. But since I moved in here, I lost a lot of my stuff. Everything got misplaced. I still have stuff in boxes that I cannot get unpacked because I don't have any space to put it. And then you just dig it out. And this is why I have this here. I already had started with this one. It took me maybe like 10 minutes to do this one. But it's simple, guys. So you guys see right there? So I'm going to make my candle holders. Still gotta go to the hardware store and buy some little round metal things that I could put in there and hammer down. So like that, if the candle holder burns all the way down, it will be safe. It will not create a fire. But if I cannot do that, I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and find some, they have some candle holders that I could just snap the metal because it's very soft metal, and I could put them in there. So I did that, and I'm going to do one here, and I'm going to do one here. And my idea is one here, one here, one here. I want to do 3 for the candles. And then my idea here is to cut this in a slanted way that was that this would lay flat on the table. And if I cannot cut it, I'm just gonna leave it like so and cut this tip, because you guys can see this is uneven and I don't like that part, but I could just cut it. This is from outside. This is element from outside. And yeah, guys, so we're going to get that done. So I'm going to give you a little bit of progress, and then I'm going to return. Also, guys, when you're doing something like this, make sure you use protective glasses so nothing goes into your eyes. Let me move you guys up here so you guys see what I'm doing clearly. So like I told you, I'm just holding it here, and with my service dog is looking at me like, what is she doing? I don't know if you guys know my dog. Apollo, come here. Come here. Come and say hi. Yep, you been, see what mommy doing? Come here. This is my service dog, Apollo, guys. Hi. Okay. Mommy's working. Yeah, mommy's working. Okay, go. Thank you. All right, guys. So I don't want you guys to be hearing all this loud noise. So I'm gonna come back once I finish this one. Okay. I know a lot of you guys have hand tools, electric tool. I don't. I also get the exercise. Because I only use this for little things like this, not big jobs. So I'm just gonna cut this little piece. Like that, when I turn it around, it'll be more secure and it won't go anywhere. Because right now, with this thing, see, since it's round, it will move, and I don't want that to do on the table. Mm-hmm. I'm just sanding it to take any splinter off if it has any, but it doesn't. But I just want to light up the wood a little bit, even though the stain will do that. All right, I'm gonna continue this, and then I'm gonna come back. But I like it so far, guys. I do like it so far. I hope you do too. I'm going to go get my gloves because I have some thick gloves just in case a splinter or anything. I won't get that on my hands. Make sure that when you use any chemical with fumes, you have a ventilated area. Guys, my windows in my living rooms are wide open. So I'm just going to give it a very light color. As you guys can see, it's very light. This is the same color that I used when I did my dining room table. My dining room table, guys, is 30 something years old, and I redid it and I redid it the top when I was living on the other house. I refinished my hutch, my china cabinet. um, I also refinished my coffee tables here in my living room. I love my furniture. It's old, but it lasts a long time depending how you take care of it. So yeah, guys, and this dry quick, so it'll give you minimal dry time. So it's very simple. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give it to seal it. Don't worry about my dogs, guys. My dogs are in the other room. They're with my husband. So they're in a safe place, and the windows in the room are also open. Uh, I like this, guys. I love it. I could see the color of the wood. Yeah, guys, I really like this. You guys see this? I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer when I'm done. I'm actually going to style it on my table, and you guys going to see the finished product display just to have an idea, because like this, you guys gonna be like, but what is that? It's just a log. No, guys, just see what I'm going to do with this. And this is going to be used also in my Easter table, my Easter dinner table. So I don't know if you guys can appreciate that color. Let me bring you guys close a little bit. You guys see the beautiful color. I want to thank the host for having this collaboration every month and letting people to come and show their creativity. And I want to also thank the guest host as well. Well, guys, I am done. I love the end results. I hope you like it as well. And I'm not gonna light up the candles because it still have a little bit of smell of the chemical, and I want to make sure there's none of that uh, fire thing danger going on. So I will let the dry completely, and this is a couple of hours later. So I'm still styling it on the table, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Guys, I love it. I love the natural look of it. I love the element of it. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. I hope you guys love it as well. And let me know what do you guys think about my DIY candle holder. I think I did a good job. I hope you guys think as well. All right, guys, I'm going to turn you guys around. I'm just fixing my birds on the table because I have birds on my table. I'm just going to turn you guys around, and still have a mess on the floor from where I was working. So, guys, tell me, what do you guys think? Hold on, let me turn on the other light. All right, I'm going to turn you guys around. What do you guys think? Look at it right there on the table. What do you guys think, guys? Did it turn out nice? I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. There's my candles. I actually did 3 candle holders, candle for the candles. I'm still gonna do another one at the end, but for the end of the video, I just want to finish it. And yeah, guys. So what do you guys think? I think I turned out nice. I love it. And you guys will be seeing this use on my tablescapes, guys. I think it turned out fantastic. Well, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.